Everyone. My name is Manjeet Singh and I am from Electronics and Communication branch. Our group number is 43 and our project is sensor mounting on an autonomous drone.
My name is Ritish. I am from Electronics and Communication branch.
My name is Rishonpreet Singh and I am from Electronics and Communication branch.
My name is Vishwajit Singh and I am from Electronics and Communication branch.
Greetings everyone. We are Group 43 and this is our presentation on the project Sensor Mounting and Data Acquisition in Autonomous Drones. First, let us give you the project overview. Several harmful gases like NO2 and SO2 are released into the atmosphere as a result of human activities such as burning fossil fuels, rise in industrial pollution, harmful emission of vehicles, etc. Through sensor mounting and data acquisition in autonomous drones, we can check the constituents of these harmful gases in the atmosphere. The main objective of our project is to make a master drone and two slave drones. All these drones will be autonomous, and the slave drones will revolve around the master drone, thus making the area of test much larger and giving more precise data. Let us talk about the sensor that we have used in this project. The first sensor that we have used in this project is SO2 sensors. These sensors are small and low profile, facilitating easy integration into the wireless, portable, and other IoT solutions. These sensors are ideal for health, food, environmental, industrial, and residential monitoring. Moving on to the next sensor, we have used NO2 sensor. NO2 sensors like SO2 sensor are small and also low profile. These have improved stability and low PPV sensitivity. The next sensor is dust particle sensor. This sensor uses infrared emitting diode and phototransistor, which are diagonally arranged into this device. It detects reflected light of dust in the air. It is also very effective to detect very fine particles like cigarette smoke. Moving on to the next slide. The main component of a project is Pixoc. It is an open source hardware and software platform designed for autonomous unmanned vehicles, particularly drones. It provides a robust and flexible solution for controlling and managing various aspects of drones operations. Some of the main features of Pixoc in autonomous drones are flight control, sensor integration, mission planning, telemetry, and communication. Now let us talk about working using Pixoc. We have used three sensors, mainly SO2, NO2, and dust particle of medium quality. Two sensors, SO2 and dust particle, we have planned to make it communicate. Moving on to the next slide, we have working using Pixoc. We have used three sensors of medium quality, which are SO2, NO2, and dust particle. Two sensors, SO2 and dust particle, we have planned to make it communicate in Pixoc with ADC 3.3 volt. We use I2C protocol as a communication device to differentiate the signals coming from two different sensors. One sensor we are planning to make it communicate with ADC 6.6 volt. ADC 6.6 volt has three pins that are power supply, signal pin, ground. We used NO2 sensors separately because traces of NO2 particles are traced in parts per billion, and on the other hand, traces of SO2 and dust particle are traced in parts per million. Moving on to the next slide, we have Mission Planner. Mission Planner is a ground control station software that is commonly used with Pixoc and other autopilot systems for autonomous drone operations. It provides a user-friendly interface to plan, monitor, and control drone missions. Here are some key uses of Mission Planner in autonomous drones, which are pre-flight checks, real-time monitoring, mission execution, parameter adjustment, and firmware updates. Moving on, we have working using Mission Planner. Before the actual flight of the drones in autonomous mode, their flights were simulated in Mission Planner itself, and while doing so, a bug was noticed. The bug was the drone in simulation was taking off as per plan, completing the given number of turns, and just before coming to the center point, it was rising by around 1.5 meter in height, and then it was moving to the center and coming back to the starting point or the launch. The above bug was removed by modifying two constants in Mission Planner as shown in this screenshot. And now the video demonstration of our drone will be shown in the next slide.
ट्रांसमीटर यूज़ होगा सिर्फ इसको थ्रोटल देने के लिए, उसके बाद ये अपने आप से उड़ेगा। थोड़ा टाइम लगता है थ्रोटल देने में, अपने आप उड़ गया। इसके बाद देखिए ट्रांसमीटर को अपने पीठ पे बांध लिया है। ट्रांसमीटर का कोई यूज़ नहीं है, अपने आप उड़ेगा ड्रोन। SO2, NO2, पार्टिकुलेट मैटर सारा कुछ सेंस करेगा। टेलीमेट्री के थ्रू रियल टाइम डेटा नीचे भेजेगा बिना ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन के। आप देख रहे हैं दोनों ड्रोन ऑटोनोमस मोड में उड़ रहे हैं। ट्रांसमीटर पीठ के पीछे बंधा है, 2 ड्रोन उड़ रहे हैं। दूसरा ड्रोन भी आप देख सकते हैं, पहला भी देख सकते हैं। ये आया पहला ड्रोन। दूसरा ड्रोन आप बैकग्राउंड में देख सकते हैं, क्लोजअप से दिखा रहा हूँ। ये देखिए, आदमी को देखिए निठल्ला है, मेरे भी हाथ खाली हैं। देखिए 2 उड़ते हुए। वी हैव अचीव्ड ऑटोनोमस स्वार्म ऑफ ड्रोन्स। कहीं भी जा सकता है, किसी को मार के आ सकता है। बट दिस इज मेंट फॉर एनवायरमेंटल मॉनिटरिंग। नॉक्स सेंस करेगा, सॉक्स सेंस करेगा, पार्टिकुलेट मैटर सेंस करेगा, वापस अपने स्थान पे लौट आएगा।